243, where the people never go to sleep. All we do is hustle 360 to 243, where the people stay on the grind trying to make a living, money on their mind. 243, tonight is hot in the streets. Man, you know what I mean. To 243, we keep it swagged up, gotta shine on me, watch your step, you gonna cross my line. 243, ORTO, slash Black Diamond, hopping in this track like whoa. 243 through my floor, originally Mwana ya Congo. Watch me running fast on this track, on me hustling ball. Watch me throw that deep three like that like a 2-4. Watch me take you all the way back like a rental. Watch me break it down on Discovery Channel.
Yeah, from Kananga, a star was born, going up in the city of gold, climbing the mountain Kilimanjaro. Africans, they will follow, all the wealth they will borrow, passing through the city of Luambo, landing up Poto. Africa is a motto.
243.
243 representing. 243. This is Ange Moukadi from CB Next Live, introducing a new show, R243, hosted by
yourself truly, Chris West and
Dennis Firenze.
Whoa. Tell us a little bit more about 243. R243. What's that all about, Chris?
243 is a show that we bring into you guys about music in the DFW area. People know, they don't know where to go to find them. That's why we're bringing you guys with CB Next. Click on 243 and you have everything.
Yes, Ange, this show is not only about music, but it's about art. It can be any kind of art. It can be painting, it can be theater, for example. It can be books. Like, we have a lot of Congolese that write books, and people don't know about these books that people write, and they're really, really good books. I've read a few, and it's really inspiration. So when you come on 243, keep going. Are you gonna edit?
Yes, I edit.
When you come on CB Next, you can get all the information you need. And now everybody can what the hell am I saying? We're gonna have guests. We're gonna have guests on the show. We're gonna have different guests that will be coming presenting their product on 243.
That's right.
And one thing, 243 show every single day that we're gonna have a show. We're gonna have a different artist coming to talk about what they do, what he's doing, or what she's doing, or what they're doing.
Well, you heard it, ladies and gentlemen. It's about expression. If I understood correctly, it's about all forms of expression. We're in a country of freedom, and that freedom can be expressed in different manner through music, through art, through poem, through a book, through painting. I mean, we have a diverse type of artists around here in the DFW. You know, some from the 243 area, some from different other areas. We are very open-minded, and we're trying to learn and to listen to those artists through the form of expressions of the choices. So tell us what we should expect in the coming week. I mean, as far as the artists, can you give us an example of who you think we might be able to see?
Right now, today, we're going to have a special band named Black Diamond. Black Diamond is going to be coming today to represent, and we're not going to tell you everything because we don't want to spoil the surprise. So you guys have to wait for other shows coming up. We're going to have different bands, but we're not going to say names right now.
That's right. Are we talking about new bands? Are we talking about people that are already here? Are we talking about just people that are producing locally? What's up with that?
Yes, we're talking about people that are already here and people that are coming.
All right.
So because this show right here, this is what the people were waiting for. They were waiting for this show to come. The artists were waiting for this show. TOP was waiting for this show so they can come and promote their album, promote their concert, promote their event. I'm telling you, I'm so excited about this project that I'm telling you, because this is a new movement. This, you have to tune in and
watch.
Preach
it, brother, preach it.
You have to tune in and watch.
This is art with the conscience.
Yes. So we're going to have different bands. We're going to have artists. We're going to have solo artists. We're going to have groups, rap groups, R&B, all type on this show. So and they're going to come and, you know, let you know what's going on in the DFW area. If they're concert, if they're Is there an event going on? And you're gonna know it through this show.
243.
243.
Only one place, guys. It's CB Next Live. CB Next Live. We will bring it to you. We'll bring you the latest in music, in art, in all forms of expression that's out there. We are basically promoting what's already promoting itself. I mean, music has nothing to prove today. Quand on parle du pays tel que la République démocratique du Congo d'où nous venons, hein, n'est-ce pas?
Yes,
On peut voir que même quand les choses ne marchaient pas, la musique marchait toujours. Donc il faut mettre, il faut ajouter l'eau là où il y a déjà quelque chose de bien fondé, quoi. Il faut dire que ça marchait et il faut continuer à bénir. Bon, il faut utiliser le mot bénir. For lack of a better word, or better choice of words, it's a great place to invest either your time, your money, your energy, because that's really where people can be educated. That's where people can express themselves freely. I myself, respect these arts, music, either music or any other form of art. I'm myself some type of an artist. I
heard you sing sometime.
No, don't ask me to sing because I would take pictures. I am a photographer. I mean, that's my expression. That's my form of expression.
We can invite you on the show one of these days.
I'll be glad to come and express some of my work. This is exciting even for me, and I know some fellow painters and drawing artists.
Picasso
Hey, we try, it's all about expressing yourself, and 243 is going to do all that for us.
Exactly.
Well, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. This is our introduction to our new show, and we're going to have some exclusive work, coming from very special artists here. We have some good artists coming up. We have Denis Gonde. We had a chance to sit down in our studio with.
Yeah.
We're going to have other renowned artists that we're going to have a chance to speak. I mean, this is also a platform for artists to learn, because, I mean, we have talented artists. Exactly.
That's
absolutely.
The thing, because there's no promotion. We a band too, Black Diamond. We ain't got no promotion from nobody. And that's why we thought of this show, to give all the artists the chance to promote themselves.
That's right. That's right.
Shows. That's why we're doing.
And to add on in that, we're also gonna have videos. So if you have a video that you want people to watch it, you can come to CB Next. You could come through us, and we're gonna make sure that your video is posted.
That's
so
right.
This is really is gonna help every single artist, independent artist that don't have record deals, and it's gonna help them, promote their project, promote their stuff that they have through videos, through CB Next, basically through CB Next. Everything's gonna go through CB Next. It's a good promotion. So if you have anything there, just come. Bouya et Belé, venez. On va faire la promotion de vos projets, quoi.
Bon, pour ne pas trop tarder, on va avoir une vidéo là maintenant. Quand on revient, on aura Black Diamond sur le show.
À bientôt.